best way to increase your reps is by doing more reps. This seems pretty obvious, doesn't it? But there's more to it. In this video, I'm going to cover the best way you can increase your reps over time to progressively overload in an effective way. This is the method I've been using for the past few months to do more knee tucks and chin-ups. It really worked out for me, I think it's going to work out for you too. So the problem with knee tucks and chin-ups, which isn't really a problem, but the problem for beginners is that they require full body weight, and you can't really decrease the resistance as you can with dumbbells or just with resistant bands or whatever it is. So you're stuck to your body weight, so you can't really do as many reps, so you have to do like a low repetition amount. But with this method, I increased my reps in a very fast way, and I'm going to share it with you in this video. So make sure you stick to the end, and let's get into it. First, pick any exercise you're stuck on. So you want to see what your maximum repetitions are for 3 sets. So let's say that for push-ups, for example. For set 1, you do 25 reps. Then for set 2, you do 20 reps. And then for set 3, you do 18 reps. So in the graph, there's like a decreasing line because you went from set 1, where you did 25 reps, to set 3, where you did 18 reps. So what you want to do from now on is to make the reps from the third set the same as the second set. You had 18 reps on your third set, so you want to aim for 19 reps in your next workout. Or if you can aim for 20 reps, then absolutely do that, but most people can't do that, so many people can't do that. So in the graph, it's going to be this decreasing line because you have 25 on your first set and 20 on your second set. In that situation, what you want to do is focus on your second set, which you have 20 push-ups. So in your next workout, do 21 push-ups or 22 push-ups, as long as you're progressively overloading it. And then when you reach 25, 25, 20, you do 21 push-ups on your third set, or again, I don't know how many times I've repeated this. As long as you're progressively overloading it, then do as many reps as you need. This has to be more reps than your previous workout. And then at some point, you're going to reach 25, 25, 25, which is going to be a straight line. And congratulations, you reach that point, you have finished your goal. What you can do from now on is increase your repetitions even more. But that's going to turn the exercise into an endurance exercise, and if that's your goal, then fine, absolutely do that. But if your goal is to build muscle and strength, then what you want to do is add more weight or try a different variation of the push-up, like the pike push-up or decline push-up, whatever it is. That's completely up to you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Watch this video now, but until next time, see you later.